Hey everyone, it is August 7th and I am currently in Orlando, Florida. If you saw the vlog before this, it was just like me getting here and stuff. So yeah, I am at the resort, Holiday Inn Resort, and I'm just going to give you a little tour of my room and then where we're staying. And then tomorrow we're going to the beach, so I'll vlog tomorrow as well. So, let's get into the tour. Okay, so you walk in, and this is the door. And you have this cute little area, you know, you got the Jeep keys, little slight flex, no big deal. And then you just continue to walk this way, and that's the master's room. That's my parents' room, I'll show you that later. Then you walk this way, and we just have the washer and dryer. And that jacket I was wearing in my video yesterday, I got my salad dressing on it. So it's really upsetting. And then my pants, I spill avocados on it. So I need to wash those and get like stain remover stuff. So that's all that's in there. And then we have this bathroom that looks like this. That's a shower. It's kind of small, but it's like I opened it and there was like a bouncy ball in it. It's right there. Oh, not anymore. Yeah, this is the bathroom. This is me and my sister's. And then I go this way, and this is me and my sister's room. Just look like this. And we're watching the Kardashians. In here, I just hung up some stuff, and I never put clothes actually in the drawers, but I did this time because it was just necessary. Anyway, let's continue. Okay, there's like a sneak peek into my parents' room. And we have this cute little mirror. We have the kitchen. Very nice. We have a nice little living room action.
Hello!
Bill really wanted to be in the video. Dining room, or the sitting area, and then we have this really nice little patio action. And yeah. Okay, so it is now 6:34, and I'm going to eat. My mom made taco meat, so I'm just gonna cook up a taco. My breakfast, just eggs, toast, French vanilla coffee. It is 10:09, and where I am in Florida, Orlando, it's like an hour ahead of where I live. We have like a little sunroom. That's what I'm sitting at right now. Dude, I tried to make toast. So this is what my toast looks like. But at my house, that's what my toast looks like when it's like on the 3. If you know how a toaster is, it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and like you can put it on what setting you want. So I was like, okay, I'll put it on 3. It was burnt. So then I made another piece of toast, and I gave the burnt piece to my dad because he likes the burnt pieces. And then I put it on 2, and it burnt again. So I finally just put it on nothing, and literally just put it in there for 30 seconds, and that's what it looks like toasted. So I was like, okay, I guess it'll do. So yeah. I think I already mentioned that we're going to the beach today. So I'm going to vlog that. I'm really excited to be at the beach. I haven't tanned in like 4 days. If you know me, I tan like every day for like 5 hours. So I'm very excited. I'm literally losing my color on my face. It's awful. So yeah, nothing else is happening. I went to bed last night. I don't know around what time. Yeah, and then this morning I just woke up, made breakfast. Yeah, I don't know what time we're going to the beach. So we'll see. Also, there's like a golf course right outside of our room. So the place we're staying, there's like 4 villages, northeast, south, and west village. And every village has like their own restaurants, their own pool, but you can go to any village you want at the resort. And I guess we have a golf course. It's like the something Andy Palmer, the tea guy. It's one of his golf courses, I guess. So yeah, I will fill you guys in. All right, me and Keys are in the Jeep, and we are on our way to Cocoa Beach.
Wait, it's Cocoa Beach?
Yeah, it's called Cocoa Beach.
Oh, I thought it was this.
No, that's in Alabama, silly. Yeah. We have made it to the beach. It is Cocoa Beach. Yeah. How do you feel to be at the beach?
It's kind of crowded.
Hey guys, it is 12:50 something and we're at the beach. I'm just tanning, the whole fam's in the ocean. I'm probably gonna get in pretty soon because it's hot out here. That's all that's happening.
Wow.
It is 2 something, as you can see behind me. Cloudy as can be because it like rains here once a day.
Do you think I could just walk up like this and
We're gonna go change and go eat.
go ask for
And that's all that's happening.
All right, look at the
go ask
beach.
for
Yeah, the beach is so pretty though.
We got some pilgrims out there.
Kind of. We are eating at what's this called? Pelican Pier? Pelican Bar or something. Bar and Grill in Cocoa Beach. I am getting wings. Brenna got grilled chicken with fries. She gets that literally every time, everywhere we go. But it's a safe bet. And that's all that's happening. I'll show you the food. It's gonna be so good. We have a pretty good view. Go like the recent Caesar salad and Parmesan wings. Mom got the house salad. Here I got mac and cheese
with dragon fruit.
Brenna got her chicken wings and fries. Her fries are so weird, but they're good.
I know.
We have Sierra, Sydney, and we have these sand hill cranes. That's what those are. I think we made it back to the resort after the beach. We are now going to the hot tub. And yeah, that's probably, after the hot tub, that'll probably it for this vlog. And then I'll be vlogging tomorrow. Brenna and I got a little burnt.
Okay, pink.
It's not red, it's like pink. It's really weird. We can't really show you.
Yeah, nah.
Anyhow, we'll see you at the hot.